How to adjust virtual memory on Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can adjust your virtual memory on Windows 10. For this, click on the search bar and search for Control Panel. Now, click on the category option and select large icon. From these options, go ahead and select System. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Here, click on Advanced. Then under Performance, click on Settings. Here, click on Advanced again. Now you will find virtual memory, so click on the change option in order to adjust it. Here you want to uncheck the automatically manage paging file size option. Now click on custom size. Here you will have to enter your initial size. So you want to enter the size which is recommended down below. So in my case it is 1403. So simply enter that over here. Now for the maximum size, you want to open up a calculator. Now enter the recommended size, which might be different for everyone. After that, you want to multiply that with 1.5. And whatever size you get, you want to enter it over here in the maximum size. Then click on the set option. Now click on OK. After that is done, you will have to restart your computer. And in this way, you can adjust virtual memory on Windows 10. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.